I forgot that one last year.
So just by a show of hands, how many of you are fans of microphones? Oh, wow, okay. So we're going to start out with this one. It's going to be a limited edition. I got to see it at the Tokyo Ham Fair, and I think, Josh, we talked about this.
Yep.
This is a JAIA microphone, and it's called the SM-J1. We're showing a prototype here. I don't have any specs on it right now, but I'll do your close-ups in that. I mean, there's not too much exciting that I can talk about a microphone, but it is a nice look to it. And it's birthday present, right?
I feel like that's probably going to be on the list.
Okay. Oh, that was a quick adjustment here. The radio you guys are really wanting to see. The ID-5200.
There it is.
Oh, nice.
Not under glass. Not under glass.
Not under glass, correct. Now, one of the interesting things about it, we've got a blue icon here for power.
Mm-hmm.
We've seen that on some of our other radios that you could then put to a network to remote control with the RSBA1 software. We also have a little, we don't have on here, but we've got the GPS icon. The radio does Wi-Fi, Bluetooth.
Ooh.
For all of you, by the show of hands, I want to see who thinks APRS is a good thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Where's mine? I raised my hand.
The other guy's
10
not
seconds.
here. So he's wrong.
Which other guy?
.com.
Go put a sticker on top of that radio.
Yes.
Does anybody? To answer some of the obvious questions, it's got USB-C in.
All right.
It's got KISS mode.
Mm-hmm.
So I know from looking at a lot of you guys, you'd love to speculate. Anybody want to care to guess what that speculation would be?
Oh,
Wireless
APRS. KISS TNC.
KISS TNC with
KISS
APRS?
TNC.
Yeah.
But what can you?
Bluetooth, wireless TNC.
There you go.
Yeah.
So we've got
Yeah.
access to it.
We speculated that at Hamfest.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
It was not. It was not KISS 96.
No, it was not.
I thought it was the radio station.
Jeez.
So to bring it where it's a little bit closer for everybody, a couple of things that we were talking about. Now, there's multiple ways to do some of the things. Like I want to look at power. I touch the screen. I can select what power I want, or if I'm wanting to make the adjustment on the main side, I just hit the button and there's a menu for this receiver, this side of the radio. I can switch over here, or I can touch here to switch to sides. But again, I've got an independent menu system for that side of the radio.
Menüsü hem düğmeden basılıyor hem ekrandan basılıyor.
So the menus is a smart menu system. It only applies to whatever size that you're operating on, and that you don't have to remember what number in that 300 item scrolling menu system to controls what.
Is that true for the volume knob as well?
No, there's no push button on it.
Okay.
But there is separate volume and squelch on both sides.
It is separate. That's what I meant.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
How many memory is
Let me get there. So when we switch the side, I can touch and hold it, and then it becomes single. If you have it, your alphanumerics programmed in, you've got that. So right now we're in AM airband. I push here, go to band. There's your band selections.
Nice.
So you can quickly jump from airband to 2 meters. Land Mobile VHF, I almost said Marine VHF because that was last week. The 200 megahertz range for UHF aircraft. So you go to an air show, there's some military, you'll be able to listen to them.
Pointing at me right for that. Nice.
Nice.
Very cool. Thank you.
And or you can directly frequency input.
Oh, that's cool too. Yeah, so similar control and look and feel with the 5100.
The 705, the
That's right.
7300, the 90.
It's like you're going for a look and feel there, right? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's something like customer interface access.
Yeah, we wanted to feel very familiar to you. Now, let's go ahead and I'll do that band. You got where you can set the clock.
Okay.
Now we'll go into the menu, set, and I can scroll with the knob. If I go here to time set, you got your UTC offset. By the way, we're -4, not a -5.
Will it pull time off GPS?
Slow down.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
Josh.
I don't want to touch any buttons.
NTP server,
Oh,
Well,
great.
server. Yeah.
Wi-Fi.
Also got GPS time correct.
That's
So
what I
you can
read.
go- You can do the time set.
Thanks.
So that displayed 2 times. Does it show your local time and your GMT at the same time?
If you want.
Okay, on the main
And I
display.
use my 5200 to set the time on my 97.
No, sir.
NTP time protocol. If it's a
Well,
server.
both of them may hit the internet and go get it themselves.
That's true. Yeah.
Now, there was one other thing in here. GPS time correct.
Oh, cool. Yeah. So, how many time sources do you? Is it just NIST, or can you set a different time source for the site?
Well,
Click on that and see if it gives you.
you can put in
Oh,
whatever.
there you
Yeah,
go.
there's the
Okay,
URL.
cool. Good. So multiple time source potential.
Yes. So yes, multiple time source potential on it. Oh, your mic, so your stream's getting it, but
Yeah.
all these other guys didn't hear that
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can go ahead and do whatever you want to with the time source. There again, just like on the 5100, you can. This is one of those found in my trunk moments. There, you can see call sign on the bottom. Lay claim to it.
When can we lay claim to it?
We don't know yet.
Oh, okay.
To be determined. The same
Okay.
with the pricing.
Okay.
Now, one of the key things with it is the radio when we initially release it will not have APRS capabilities in it. It will only be as a firmware update at $0.
TBD.
Nice.
So there's not an upcharge to do it.
But we're going to get the KISS TNC right out of the gate.
No,
That's a good blank question.
that might be. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, it has it in here right now. Whether or not the firmware is enabled, I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, this is the first time I've laid hands on one was today.
Okay.
That's one of the problems with working remote. The guys back in the shop get to touch it. So,
Got you.
let's see. We got the quick menu, so advanced
Is there an APRS menu, Ray?
APRS menu. So menu, there's the KISS,
Yep.
KISS set, KISS
Okay.
interface, Bluetooth. Bluetooth, the data jack, USB-A, USB-B.
Good.
So that tells me there's 2 USB ports on.
On the body.
How would that?
One in the head, one in the body.
No, only one on the body.
Single USB-C port, dual serial.
I see it.
For my buddy that does networking, I'm trying to remember with the 7300 Mark II, it sets up 2 USB ports.
Yeah.
Single
Two COM ports.
physical
Two
port.
COM ports.
2 COM ports
Dual
to
COM
set
ports,
up.
yeah.
So I don't know 100% yet.
The 705 sets up 2 COM ports as well.
So KISS interface, USB-A, KISS baud rate, all the way up to 57600.
Wow.
But no, that's the communication
No, I get
over
that,
the
I get
USB port.
I get that.
Yeah, I didn't want to start that rumor. Oh my God, they've got new baud rates on packet. No.
Why
I
not?
don't want that speculation.
Are you saying we shouldn't speculate, Ray?
No, you can. I just don't want to call you out on social media. Oh boy, it's going to be a warm day in hell when I get there. And by the way, before you release your videos, I do want to have some editorialship here.
Too late, we're live. FM D-Star.
I got to bleep that one.
Yeah.
D-Star. So one of the new features in the D-Star for this, we call it the advanced D-Star.
Okay.
You can do access point mode or terminal mode over Wi-Fi.
Oh, cool.
You no longer need the computer to interface to it or tether it to something.
So the phone apps will work then eventually?
Yeah, the phone apps will work over Bluetooth.
Yep. Okay.
So
GP Mike 7, yes, it's the Icom
one of the things that the
5200.
guys that hesitate to do call sign routing is if they call to a specific repeater in a specific area, you don't know if you're interrupting a conversation.
Right.
So amateur radio etiquette is a frequency in use is a frequency in use. You cannot do that with call sign routing on D-Star until this. This will do the repeater monitoring. So you can go ahead and program in Ernie over here. Where's your repeater, sir? Sorry? Where's your repeaters? Say that again.
South Yorkshire.
He's still learning.
South Yorkshire.
So before calling Ernie, I can check his repeater to see if there's conversations going on. And that is something that my guy Fred over there that answers the technical support lines, because man, that gets a lot of pressure off of us because that's a question of raise. That's pretty much that on the D-Star and advanced D-Star stuff. There is one other thing. There's a timer now that you can set. If you use your ID-52s and some of the older product, it comes up 5 seconds to look at who just called in and where they are and how far away. Crap, I didn't see it. You can even set it to hold and it stays there.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
So that is also another enhancement. The band scope on it has the waterfall display. It's full color, and you can monitor plus or minus 20 channels. Now we haven't seen a spec at what those 20 channels mean.
Yeah.
So if you could cover some airband frequencies all the way up to 148, and then see those channels, or what that truly means. So we do have to do some checking on that. The back of the head of the radio has the capability, and there again, this is a prototype, so it doesn't have everything. The mounting bracket, like what's on the ID-5100, will be included.
The magnet.
It has the magnets as well, but you have your quarter 20 or your APRS connections on it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So there's multiple mounting solutions for it. Now, there will also be 2 optional brackets. One of the brackets is going to look a lot like the bracket on the PW2.
Yeah. Oh, the desk mount one. The desk mount bracket? Yeah.
We'll have a video that is being released on our website tomorrow morning. But you can see how it's similar. You know what? That might even be it.
Like there was a plan the whole time.
Yeah, how about that? But there's also one that will attach the head to the bottom.
One less tool to make. So one less tool to make.
Yes.
But it will have a flat bracket for like
will
hard
have-
mounting in the box.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So you can do it with the magnets. That way it's easy to detach, hide, throw under the seat.
Nice.
So any questions at this point?
The big one. When is it available?
Don't have that information yet or the price.
Okay. Chat's asking single sideband.
Nope.
Just FM.
AM narrow for receive,
Receive.
FM narrow, and DV.
Okay.
D-Star DV. The body
Make sure
bracket,
you,
have not seen if that one's going to come with it.
I've got to cut
There
the phone
again,
because the battery is
When
going
it comes down to it, there's so many people that
I'm
don't mount
recording
boxes.
this. I will
But
post
we
it.
did make sure that
Release
they had
it.
the head bracket. There
Don't
again,
forget to tune back
quarter
in
20
for
log on it.
HamShackTV Live tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.
any other questions? Come on, really?
What's in the box, Ray? What's in the box?
This thing?
Yeah, what's that about, Ray?
You guys are going to have to tell me.
Oh yeah, that's what we.
Oh, there was. I have to change the thumbnail again.
As you guys roam around, look at the back. There's no connectors. There's no. artwork on it. What do you guys think it is?
Also, just look at how many people are on it. It's crazy.
All band, all mode, 100 watts, mobile portable.
It's a replacement for the
Yeah,
7100.
well, when you say all band,
That's VHF, UHF.
well, when you say VHF, you got 220 and 900 in VHF.
Okay, we'll
I
take
don't
it all.
see us doing anything 228.
It's 90221.
But right now, this is all that I got to show you guys on this product. We'll be showing it at a couple other places, but the Tokyo Ham Fair will be the big reveal.
Good. That's going to be a real problem for you,
You
Paul.
were already going.
You got it. Oh, you're gonna be our eyes and ears, man. Rob, you're gonna be our eyes and ears,
Josh, are you
man.
going so we can live stream?
I'm live right now.
It's from the Tokyo Ham Fair.
Sure, absolutely. Whatever you need, Ray, as always.
Oh, we got some gentlemen from JA Land. This is the first time they've seen.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, if you guys are missing a DJI mic that has no muff on it,
This one, twice.
okay. What, is it marked KMRD? KMRD is wrong?
So dimensionally, guys, that's really what I'm looking at. So I see it's a little fatter on the right side, so possibly speaker above the VFO. Hopefully. Would like to see it.
Don't know. Anybody wants a picture?
I absolutely like that.
That's great.
That's hilarious.
Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Icom. Was it worth the wait?
I mean, I like the dimensions is what I wanted to see, is dimensionally
Well,
how big is it?
Mileage may vary. It's subject to change
Sure.
without notification.
Sure,
I mean,
absolutely.
let me think of what other disclaimer can I say?
No purchase
not
necessary.
FCC certified. Not FCC certified.
It's just a box.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna also slide.
We don't know.
All right, so a lot of information we just learned there. Appreciate Ray and the attention to the YouTube community. Folks, you know I'm an Icom fan. So we have a working 5200 here. It is not released yet. It is not released. Won't be released here. Expecting probably Tokyo Ham Fair at this point. So there's Clayton over there. Really cool stuff. X026. We don't know much about it. We kind of know what the form factor is going to look like, but it's probably going to end up being a replacement for the 7100. That's my speculation. It's not officially from Ray or Icom, but I think it's a replacement for the 7100. All band, all mode, all in one, that kind of thing. So stick around HamShackTV, folks. Great information forthcoming.